For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and all of the other Samsung One UI 6.1 phones like the Galaxy S23, S24, S22, anything with One UI 6. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I want to show you how to get battery health like the Apple used to have, or does have. Samsung doesn't have Apple battery health that's really accessible, but they do have it. It's not a percentage like Apple's is. So if anyone that has an Apple phone, you remember going into the battery health meter and it would tell you a percentage, 100%, 99%, 98%. And I'm kind of glad that Samsung doesn't have that, because that number is not accurate anyway. And here's just a really quick story explanation as to why. Every Apple phone is shipped with a lithium-ion battery, and each battery has a different milliamp to it. They're not just one 4,500, it's 4,000, some of them could be 600, some of them could be 4,400. They set that program up that if you ever had an Apple phone and it stays at 100% for an entire year, that reading is not accurate because of that, because each battery is a different milliamp, but they don't actually divide the actual milliamp of the battery. They just set it and tell you that it's 100% until it comes down. So anyway, it's besides the point, really. It's not, but it's not accurate. So here's Samsung's rendition of this, and you want to go into, we'll dive right in, we'll go into settings, and then we will scroll down. Let's see if I can remember this here. Device care, and you want to scroll down to diagnostics, and this is where you can actually do a lot of things. This one, the watch diagnostics, this is how you would check for your watch if you have a watch, and it'll check your battery on that one. We're going to go into phone diagnostics, and then we're going to scroll down until we see battery status, which you can see I've already clicked it once. And right here, battery status is normal, life is good. So that can be good, normal, and fair or poor, I believe. I can't remember the third one exactly how it's worded, but good is what you want, normal is what you want, which would make sense because my phone's about 6 months old is all. But again, this doesn't have a percentage, but it'll tell you a good estimate, as not an estimate, but a good check of the battery and how it's doing, and if you ever need to replace it. So that's my video on the battery status life. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Please click the new thank you button if you're really pleased with my video, and until next time, I'm out.